Introduction to Pushing Code to GitHub.
Learn how to upload your local coding project to GitHub. In this tutorial, we'll walk through the entire process, from setting up Git to sharing your code with the world. Whether you're new to GitHub or just want a clear guide, these steps will help you get your project online and collaborate with others.
Step 1. Installing Git and creating a repository.
First, download and install Git from the official website. Once Git is ready, open your terminal or command prompt. Navigate to your project folder using the cd command. Initialize a local repository by typing git init. This sets up the folder for version control. Next, go to GitHub and create a new repository for your project.
Step 2. Connecting your project to GitHub.
To link your local code with your GitHub repository, copy the repository's HTTPS URL from GitHub. In your terminal, use the command git remote add origin URL, replacing URL with the copied address. This command tells Git where to push your code online, connecting your local project to GitHub servers.
Step 3. Staging and committing your code.
Before uploading, you need to prepare your files. Add your project files to the staging area using git add dot. This includes all files for the next update. Then, save your changes with a message by typing git commit-m first commit. This creates a snapshot of your project, ready to be pushed to GitHub.
Step 4. Pushing your code online.
Now you're ready to upload. Enter the command git push-u origin main. If your repository was created with a default branch called main, use main. Otherwise, use master if that's your branch name. This command sends your code to GitHub. You may need to log in using your GitHub credentials.
Finishing up and next steps.
After pushing, visit your GitHub repository page to confirm your code has arrived. You can now share your work, track changes, and collaborate with others. Remember, future updates can be pushed by repeating the add, commit, and push steps. With these basics, you're ready to manage projects with GitHub.